Hi, hello, salam alaikum, namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hoteliers Guide. So, guys, today I am going to give some information about hotel management course. So, hotel management course, it's like maximum in India, people not aware about this course. Some of the people only know about this course, and maximum people they don't know. So, if you ask anyone like your friends, everyone is doing engineering, some other courses that there is no value in future, that they don't have any job market. So in this time, so the hotel management course is one of the best course. So there is lots of job opportunities, not only in even India, even in abroad also. If you want to go like abroad, so this is the best course, guys. So this course, like you can do like a 3 years bachelor's degree, or you can go like diploma. So if you are, who want to go like a good position, so better +2, then they need to take this course like 3 years bachelor's degree. So in this 3 years bachelor degree, once you finish, so you can go abroad, so you can go do some studies over there, or you can search for a job. It's easy to get a job to this course. So what you need to do, so while going to take this course, so first main thing what you need to do, you need to take a right college. You need to choose a right college, or while going to college, to check the campus. So you need to check what are the facilities they have, what are the equipment they have, how the faculty is working there. So you need to go and ask the students over there and take some reviews, so you will get good knowledge. So, and second thing, normally if you go and ask, you going to tell your parents like you are going to do a hotel management course, so they're thinking like they are not aware. So they think that it's just like there is no use. But no, guys, this is the very important thing. So if you want to go like and like in this course, like the major, there is only like 4 major subjects, like food and beverage service, F&B production, housekeeping, front office. So these 4 are the main core departments. So even you have like other departments like marketing, accounts, computers, all these things. So in these 3 years, like we have like 20 subjects. You need to pass all these things to get the certificate. So after finish this course, you need to choose any 4 departments, like F&B service. If you are interested in kitchen, so you can go with the food production. So that's it, guys. So this is the information for today. Hope everyone will like this one. So if you like my video, guys, please like, share and subscribe to get your future updates and notification, guys. Thank you. Jai Hind.